At 70 years old, he flew from the United States to Jaipur, not simply to restore teeth, but to smile with confidence again. Years of wear, failing restorations, fractures, and missing teeth had taken a toll, affecting function, comfort, and confidence. Cases like these are never about replacing teeth. They're about rebuilding function, restoring balance, and creating a smile that feels natural to the person wearing it. Every detail begins with precision, clinical planning, digital scanning, and designing restorations intentionally for strength, longevity, and harmony. And this is where our in-house workflow changes everything. With a full-time ceramist, smile designer, and laboratory under one roof, every detail is refined collaboratively, allowing us to design, mill, customize, and deliver the prostheses in just 3 days. A thoughtful combination of crowns, veneers, Vonlays, and implant prostheses helped restore strength where needed while preserving tooth structure wherever possible. The goal was never a fake perfect smile. The goal was confidence, restored naturally, beautifully, and functionally. One journey, 3 days, one smile rebuilt.